So my name is Bob Avanzato. I'm a faculty member in the engineering department, and I teach in our four-year engineering program. So I teach robotics in that particular program, and we have a four-year program that can be completed all 4 years at the Abington campus. So this engineering major we have here at Abington covers electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and computer and robotics engineering. So it's a blend of three different engineering areas, and the focus is on design. So of course in product design, fabrication, there's mechanical engineering courses, there's electronics courses, there's microcontroller courses. So the students really learn how to build systems. So they're really makers in a way. So one of the important things I should mention even before that is all the students are required to take an internship in industry. So they get a paid internship in industry for the summer, a 300-hour internship, so they're all prepared to go into industry. And typically our students graduate, they would take on titles like product engineer, mechanical engineer, R&D engineer. I'd say the most special part of the engineering major from my perspective is the fact that we have small classes that we offer our engineers, so they get it's a lot of hands-on and project-based education. So they're working with faculty in the classroom, in the lab, and the classes are typically under 20 students, and they have access to really great facilities, a fabrication lab at the Great Valley campus.